Hey everyone, today we are talking about iPhone SE 4 which might outcome next year. Let's see what's new. iPhone SE 4 is rumored to have a single camera and bigger 6.1-inch screen, and there are lots of guesses about the design. Some say it will have a special dynamic island feature like iPhone 15, but we won't know for sure until it's officially announced. The Tech Insider Apple Takeaway shared some cool concept designs. One showed the phone with two camera and dynamic island on the front, but other rumors say the iPhone SE 4 will have just one camera, 48 megapixel with a notch Face ID. The iPhone SE is popular choice because it's smaller and cheaper. The new iPhone SE 4 might have 6.1-inch OLED display with 60Hz refresh rate, looking similar to iPhone XR. It could also replace Touch ID with Face ID and 5G support, and it has a Type-C charging port. iPhone SE 4 is expected to come with iOS 18 and some cool AI features. It might have 48 megapixel main camera, a 3279 mAh battery, and probably a A16 Bionic chip. And some rumors even believe it has a A17 Bionic chip for better performance and Apple Intelligence feature. Apple hasn't officially announced iPhone SE 4 yet, but reliable sources says it might come out either this year or in 2025 with big improvements in design, functionality and screen size. That's all we know about iPhone SE 4 right now. What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you soon next time. Peace out.